In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use button blocks in Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. To begin, you will open the page that you want to edit. Then, look at the top left corner of the page for the Edit button. Click Edit. This is the control that switches your site into editing mode, which allows you to add and adjust elements on the page. Next, stay in the Fluid Engine section where you want the button to appear. In the top left corner of the Fluid Engine area, you will see an option called Add Block. Click Add Block. This opens the menu where you can choose different types of content blocks, including buttons. After the block menu appears, you will look for Button in the drop-down menu. Click Button from the drop-down list. This selection tells Squarespace that you want to insert an interactive call-to-action element, like a link-styled button that visitors can click. Now you will place the button on your layout. Locate the button block that appears, and then click it so it is selected. Once it is selected, click the pencil icon. The pencil icon is the edit control for the block, and it lets you customize what the button displays and where it leads. At this point, you will see a panel with settings for the button. The first thing you will do is type your custom text. Type your desired wording directly into the text field. Choose text that clearly explains what happens when someone clicks the button, such as Learn More or Contact Us, and keep it short enough to fit comfortably on the button. After you have entered the button text, you will set the destination link. Click inside the Attach Link box, which may also be labeled as the Attach field depending on your interface. This is where you connect the button to a specific page, section, or URL destination. Once the link field is active, you will add your destination. You can select or enter the destination you want the button to point to, depending on what options appear in that field. Be sure that the destination matches your goal for the button, since this determines where visitors will go after they click. When you finish choosing the destination, close the panel view by clicking outside of it. Then you will reposition the button within the Fluid Engine grid. Drag the button block to your desired position on the grid. As you move it, watch for alignment cues or how it snaps into place. This helps you keep the layout clean and consistent with other elements. After the button is placed in the correct location, you may need to adjust its size so it fits your design. To resize the button, drag the blue handles on the edges of the block. Move the handles inward or outward until the button looks balanced in the layout and the text remains readable. Finally, once everything looks right, you will save your changes. Look again at the top left corner of the screen for the Save option and click Save. Saving is important because it confirms your updated text, link destination, placement, and size, so your audience will see the new button on your live page. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.